Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a custom market. Let's begin. Let's go to Start a Project. And we're going to add a layer. And I'm going to call this Test Layer. I'm going to add all purchase or total purchase loans for 2022 by census tract. And the MSA I'm going to select is Washington, D.C. Once it goes from the left pane to the right pane, I'm going to click on Save. And I'm going to let the map draw. Okay, so now we have DC MSA by census tract. Okay, so let's say we wanted to make a custom market around this area. In order to make the custom market, we would simply go to the down arrow or the caret and click on View Drawing Tools. With the pop-up window that shows, make sure that it's on Map, or actually pick on Polygon, and then make sure Select is selected. And then from here you'll notice that next to your cursor, the words Click to Start Drawing appear. So simply left click and release, and you'll notice that there's this little line that shows up. And once you're happy with this area, click for it to start creating a zone, and click every time you want the shape to follow what you want to create. And then when you're all done, just double click with the left mouse button. And you'll notice that what's remaining is this zone that you've created, or a custom market. Okay, so I'm going to click off or turn off that that window, the pop-up window, and I'm going to turn off the test layer. And so from here, let's say we are happy with this zone. I'm going to go back to my layer and click on the caret, and now I'm going to click on Save as Market. Okay, and I'm going to call this Test Layer DC. Okay, and I'm going to copy and paste the name and paste it in the description, and then I'm going to select my folder to save it in. Click Save. Okay, so now the software recognizes this as its own market. So if I wanted to add, for example, MLS listings to the map now, I could go to Add Layer, Real Estate Listings, and then Listings in Custom Market. And then all I would do is go to Markets and click on this tab, and then find the market that I just saved. So I believe it was called Test Layer DC. And this is the one we just saved, so I'm going to click on it. And then when it goes to the right-hand pane, I'm going to click on Save. And then from here, you'll notice that the listings that are brought up are in our new market only. Something else I wanted to show is if I click on one of these census tracts, I can go to View Top Loan Originators, and once I pick my date, so I'm going to pick last year, instead of being just that census tract in the locations box, I'm going to again click on Markets and go to Test Layer DC, and then I'm going to uncheck the original census tract number, and then click Save. And from here, once I refresh the data, I'll be able to see all of the loan originators and their volumes and who the top loan originators were in just this custom market. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.